Hey guys, I'm actually on my way to my granny's house. But before I go there, of course, I need to eat my breakfast just to make sure I'm strong. And I also want my immune system to be boosted, so that's why I went to COOEE and purchased their healthy shots. This is actually packed with energy boosting nutrients that promote healthier and active lifestyle. So this is 100% pure. It's made up of apple, pineapple, mint, and orange. How cool is that? And I also bought my favorite yogurt bowl. And of course, it's disposable because I need to hurry because my granny's waiting for me. COOEE! What would you get if you buy a yogurt bowl from COOEE? Well, I have here some bananas, mangoes, oats, cereal, chia seeds, and of course, yogurt. The reason why I love this is because it's very healthy. It's packed with a lot of nutrients and vitamins that I get from the fruits and also carbohydrates from the cereals. And not to mention the calcium that I'll be getting from the yogurt mixed in this bowl. So I really can't consume all of this because there's a lot in one bowl. So I'll just go ahead and eat a few spoons. So aside from the yogurt bowl, I also bought my breakfast, of course, the main deal, which is the egg, bacon, and orange. Here you go. One box has 2 slices of oranges, 1 cup of rice, 1 whole egg, I'm actually holding it now, and a lot of bacon. So if you can see here, there you go. So this is actually perfect for breakfast because you already have carbohydrates from rice, you already have protein from your bacon and egg, you already have vitamin C from your oranges. Let's go ahead and try them out. I really love bacon. That's why, because you know, bacon is a bit unhealthy because it's pork. You need to make sure you balance your diet. You add fruits into your diet. I love it. And here is my sunny side up egg. Sorry guys, I also eat with my hands. I did wash my hands though. Wow. I can't imagine there are 4 ingredients in this drink. It's packed with a lot of flavors, guys. And they made sure this is refrigerated, of course, so this is cold. Let me go ahead and grab my yogurt bowl. Well, I'm not really that into bananas. I'm gonna give this to grandma, but I love mangoes and yogurt. Fresh Cebu mangoes it is. They also have oats and cereal. Wow. So now I'm pretty sure I'm ready to meet grandma after eating this yogurt breakfast mix and of course my bacon and egg with rice and orange. I need to run along now because my grandma is waiting for me. See you on Halloween, guys! This is Margrette once again, your modern day Red Riding Hood. See you on Halloween! Spooky COOEE!
Oh my, look at those big red eyes!